Yo, what's up? On today's lesson, I'm gonna show you how to get muscle memory in your fingers real fast. So, in order to make a sound on the guitar, we need to fret our chords. Once we understand how to fret the chord, it pretty much just boils down to muscle memory. Can my fingers recognize that I want them to do this particular formation anywhere on the neck? Or can they not? Or are the difficult chords, are they in my hands? Or are they not? If they are, I can recall it at any time I want, right? What I do to get a chord really in my hand, because the guitar is such a shape-oriented instrument. If you understand the shapes, you can place them wherever you want. So you just got to get the shape in your hand. I do these things called fretboard push-ups, where let's look at C major 7, for example. I love this chord, it's beautiful. Some people have a difficult time with it. And it is kind of a tricky-ish chord, but once you get it under your fingers, you got it. So what I do is I just do push-ups on the fretboard, picking my hands up, putting them down, and I'll do like 100 of these. Because this is what guitar playing is. It's picking up your fingers off the fretboard and putting them back down on the fretboard. But if I can absorb this muscle movement, I'll be able to recall this whenever I want because it's in my body, like it's in my fibers, right? So this is like the first step of doing push-ups. I'm just picking my hands up, putting them back down, picking my hands up, putting them back down. The next step would be like having your fingers in like a neutral position and going back to that shape. Neutral position, go to the shape. Neutral position, go to the shape. Neutral position, go to the shape. Right? And the next step would be, let's say you're learning a song and this chord happens to be in the progression. The chord before this, let's say it is A minor 7, right? I can practice doing push-ups on this chord from A minor. So boom, 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 boom. You see? And you could just sit in front of the TV watching a YouTube video, just being like, okay, cool. Have a conversation with a friend. But you're putting in reps. And the more reps you do, the more understanding your body has, because it's just muscle memory. If you're coming from a different chord, let's say it's G major, then C major 7. Okay, so I'll go. I'm just moving my hands as fast as I would in the song, slow, or you're fast. Another thing is just go slow. If you could do it slow, you can do it fast. So go slow. Really be intentional. And before you know it, you'll be able to play it wherever you want and not even look at it. Do all these embellishments. You know what I'm saying? All right, peace.